can take a lot of time po. But in Automate, you don't have to encode it one by one. So what we will just do is under sa sales data file, select lang po natin yan and select the appropriate month po. Kasi po naka-record na po tayo ng sales, no? We don't need to re-encode the same sales po for another purpose. So dito po, di ba, select po January 1 to 31, we will just generate data file. And then from here, ida-download natin yung DAT file. And then we will just validate it through our relief validation. So this is important po, no, yung validation. Kahit ako po for over the years po, I prefer not to skip yung validation kasi sometimes there might be some invalid characters po na subconsciously na-encode natin and come validation po, mali, no? Yung ating validation. And kapag hindi po tayo nagdone sa validation and sinabit natin na may mali pala, it will constitute as non-submission. So therefore, it is still safe na we validate the file before we submit it to account for the possible errors for our DAT file. So as we all know po, no, kasi po pag non-submission, it's considered late, so we will be penalized for I think 1,000. So this is important po sa ating submission ng DAT file. We just select the DAT file and then we will validate.